Good afternoon, Acadsoc teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you what to do just in case your Tutor Client app is not responding, freezing, or just loading up. There's another way to fix it. So let's say, for example, let me show it to you. So let's say right here, I'm trying to access the new teacher onboarding. So every time I click on it, it's not responding. All right. It's not doing anything, right? So the other way around to fix this is you can access this one. All right. There you go. So if Tutor Client frozen, you can try the backup links to click the CS button. So what I recommend, guys, out of these three, the one that's really working is this one right here. http://tutor http://tutor.acadsoc.com.cn. All right, so let's give it a try. Let's open our Google Chrome and we're gonna log in from there. All right, let's paste it over here. Let's see if it works. Perfect, it works, guys. So you can close this one and then log in. So let's close this one and then let's log in here. Okay, let me try. My password. Let's see if it works. What's going on? So I think we have to log out from here, I believe. So let's try to log out first from this web page. Let us log out. Let's try to log back in. Okay, so this is our username. Okay, so we have to enter our correct username and then the password. All right, then let's log in. And boom, it works. So we can save it and we can close this one. All right, now let's give it a try. So let me go back here. So I'm trying. Then let's click here. If it works, if it's responding. Boom, it's working, guys. All right, that's all for today's tutorial video on what to do or how to fix if your Acadsoc Tutor client is not responding or freezing. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.